Tonight I'm sharing my pregnancy night routine with you all. Tyler is away visiting his parents, so this is going to be a solo night. For starters, I'm going to first start by running a bath, and this just helps relax me when I'm just soaking in the warm water. And so I really just take my time in a house all to myself and just enjoy soaking. And then I stop playing around and actually wash up. So next, it's time to rub the cocoa butter on my stomach so I don't get stretch marks. So this is a tried and true method. I just rub it all in. And then I slip into some comfy PJs. These are my new favorites. And now I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so it's time for a snack. I go into the kitchen and get some pineapples, blueberries, and raspberries. And I can't forget about that most popular pregnancy craving, the pickles. So then I take that into the living room and just get cozy with a good book. This one was on my TBR for a while, so I'm happy to get to it. Then I do all my pregnancy stretches. That's good for pregnancy. And just woosah for just a second. Now it's time for bed. So I have the whole bed to myself tonight since Tyler is away visiting his parents. And my light is on, my soothing lamp. I just put this pillow between my legs to be more comfortable. And it's time for bed.